In this video, we are going to learn about how to send Google Meet invite in Gmail. So let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then sign in into your Gmail account. From here, click to Compose. Here you can see three dot menu. Click here and then set up a time to meet and then create an event. Now you can see a calendar. It's time to set a date and time for your meeting. First of all, write a title and then select your meeting time. Like I want to set for 20 May and the time is 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And then you can also add guest. From here add location and also you can add description. After finishing all the tasks, click to add Google Meet video conference and then you can see a meeting link and just click to copy this one. After copy, click to save and paste your link here that you have already copied from calendar. Now type recipient. Just click to send. Now I want to open the mail to see what happened. So here is our Google Meeting invite link. Just click to open the meeting. That's it. You can send a Google Meet invite using Gmail using this method. I think this video will help you to understand how to do that. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.